it is going to be simple. I'm going to go to roof here, roof by footprint, and then I will choose this basic generic wall 125 millimeters. Click on that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick a rectangular method because it is very simple, straightforward, and I'll go all the way to this wall here. I do not really need to cover all this wall. I might be somewhere in here, and I'm going to use the align tool, and I'm going to pick this line here to that point, and that's actually it. So I'm going to finish this one here, and it will look it like that. When I go to 3D, now you can see that most of the walls are going to be above the roof. Now I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to go to edit footprint, and I will pick this edge here, and I will say define slope, and I'm going to put a slope of 5 degrees and then hit finish. I can see that this slope is in the wrong direction. Now what I am going to do, what I can do, I can just go back, and then I click this one, and I will uncheck define slope, and then I will pick this one and say define slope, and I will put 5 degrees, hit finish, and it will look like this. This is what is going to happen. Now with this position, I do not really want to put a very long height. When I go to the elevations, I'm going to see what are the heights. I'm going to VG, and then I go to annotations, and then I will select that. I can see that the levels here are 3.5, so it means I'm going to leave it like that. Now what I'm going to do is to pick these walls, remaining walls here, select all of them, especially the exterior walls, and what am I going to do? I'm going to pick them all, and I'm going to go to attach to base, and then I'll pick this one here, and all the walls are going to be attached to this roof. As you can see, there are some challenges in here. I'm going to do this again, attach to the wall. Okay, and I will pick this one, these two, and I will do the same trick, and it